Hello everyone and welcome to the Trading Central webinar. Today we will be analyzing on how to use Trading Central, what Trading Central is. We will be analyzing these market signals. Alright, now first of all let's get to know a bit about Trading Central. Trading Central is a leading investment and research provider to financial market professionals. Now, what exactly is Trading Central? Basically, it provides you with market signals. Now, what exactly are market signals? Market signals are basically tells you if to open a position on buy or if to open the position on sell, how to put your stop loss and how to put your take profit. Basically, what it does is that it gives you all the answers that you need in order to open any position that you want. All right, these are calculated signals. The signals and the positions that you need to open will be more accurate, and the chances of you making profit will be much higher. Now, first of all, whenever you enter Trading Central, all you need to do is click on put your username and your password. Now, on Trading Central, either you can go, you can log in from your profit platform, or simply log into the website itself. Now, when you log into the website itself, I will be sending you your login credentials. All right, so you type in your username and your password. And you're directly logged in to your B4X Trading Central market signals. Now, first of all, before we do anything, you can customize your access. Remember, customizing your access on time zones is very important. Alright, so you can adjust your time zone first of all. Now my time zone is Eastern Time, US and Canada, and then you click on update. And then you will see that your access is updated to the time zone that you chose. Now, when you finish choosing your time zone, you customize your access. You can also select language here: English, French, Dutch, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Chinese, etc. Now, let's go over Forex, for example. Now remember, everyone is provided with that service. Alright, it will help you a lot to everyone. Either you have a Profit platform or even if you have MetaTrader platform. Now on Profit platform, the only advantage is that you will have a small box next to the list view. All you need to do is click it and you will have market signals. Now, just to remember, to receive these market signals, the access of Trading Central, all you will need to do is add money to your account depending on the amount, starting with $500 for 10 days up until $24,000 for a lifetime. For more information about how much you want to deposit to add more money to your account and to get Trading Central, all you need to do is send me an email and I will be more than glad to assist you and do my best I can to provide you with these market signals. Now, what we did is that we clicked on Forex. What we're going to do, we're going to analyze about 2 signals. Alright, and this will be the webinar of the day. Alright, by analyzing 2 signals, we can analyze every signal possible. Alright? Now, first of all, here you have the ticker. Remember that we're only concentrated on the red section. Alright? The yellow section and so on, you don't need to concentrate as much. In fact, at all. Alright, what is best to concentrate in is the red section, the technical analysis. Now, here you have the ticker, GBP, GPY, New Zealand dollar, Euro GPY, the Canadian dollar, etc., etc. You have the time that the signal was taken. And you have the title. Maybe it's under pressure, maybe we're expecting a rebound, and so on. Alright? Now, let's open one. Here we have Euro GPY, rebound expected. Alright? As an example that I gave before. Let's click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see that the page is getting a bit bigger. To have a better view of the page, we will click a small button that will help us get a better view of the page. So the button is here. It's as if you want to print the signal. All you need to do is click on the print sign and you will have the signal itself before you start printing. Now, I will be giving the signal signs one by one. Alright, I will be analyzing the signal itself, and we will learn on how to analyze the signal. Now, we have here the title, which is the Euro GPY, the date, which was today at 7:54 a.m. Eastern Time, US and Canada. Pivot. What exactly is pivot? Pivot means stop loss. The maximum of stop loss that you can make. Anything above this is your stop loss. Anything under this can't be your stop loss. So your maximum stop loss is from whenever until 99.5. At the moment, our pivot is 99.5. We can notice our pivot, our stop loss, on the blue line. The blue line is our pivot. Alright, so just to memorize what we said, pivot means stop loss. Here we have our preference. Now this is the position that you will be taking. Alright, our preference. Long positions. Whenever you see that there's long positions, it means buy. Buy the position at any rate possible, or any rate that you choose. So long means buy. Whenever you see short positions, it means sell. Whenever we see long, it means that the market is getting stronger, so we need to buy in order to make profit. So we're buying the position above the pivot, which is 99.5, with targets. Alright, another rule. Whenever you see targets, it simply means take profit. Alright, let's repeat what we said. Pivot is stop loss. Short means sell, long means buy, and targets means take profit at 100.9 and 101.45. Now we can notice them on the graph, which are the green lines. We can see that the arrow is going up. What we're expecting is that a rebound. What is a rebound? A rebound is whenever we see that the market went down dramatically. Alright, it is normal that the market of this specific currency, the Euro GPY, will bounce back up. If it went down, it has to go up. It is a rule. It's like a bouncing ball. Alright, when you let it on a free fall, when it bounces back, it's going to bounce up again. So that's what we're expecting. This is calculated, and basically this is how we are going to open the position. Now, this is our preference. Our preference is the signal. And here we have the alternative scenario. The alternative scenario, basically what it does, it gives you an alternative position to take. Why do we need to use it? It's very simple. It happens, it is normal, that the calculated signal, depending on the market, won't go as calculated at all. It is very, very rare that we will need to use the alternative scenario, but it's always best to be prepared. Now, whenever you open a position on our preference, and that you see that you're having a small loss, don't be afraid. Keep it. Alright? It usually does have a small loss at the beginning, and you will see that the market will go up eventually. Now, in case that you need to activate and open up an alternative position or alternative scenario, let's analyze that. below 99.5, look for further downside with 99.05 and 98.7 as targets. Now, here it says that in case that the market here will go down, your stop loss will be a bit above the blue line, which is your stop loss, and your targets, your take profits, are the red lines. Now, whenever we see another rule on Trading Central, on market signals, whenever you see that the arrow goes up, it means that your take profit will always be the green lines. Whenever you see that the arrow is going downwards, your take profit will always be the red lines. Alright? So this is basically it. You can see on the comment, the RSI lacks downward momentum. It means it lacks downward, so basically it will go up. So you can open this position. So this is on our first signal. Let's take another signal. Let's check the Euro GBP, under pressure. This is the title. Let's check it out. We'll click here. Now, before we read the signal, let's analyze the chart first of all. First of all, we see that the chart is very volatile. So the market of the Euro GBP is very volatile. So we see it goes down. It had a great rebound, and it got another rebound downwards. So it's not yet to be rebounded up. It's still going down. So we're expecting a small fall before it goes up. Now, what you could do is that you can open a position on what? On selling. You're selling. You're putting your take profit as the red lines because we see that the arrow is going downwards. And your stop loss, which is the blue line, a maximum of 0.811. Never put the stop loss higher than 0.811. Always either below or until 0.811. So basically, I can open a position by only looking at this signal, the chart. Now here we have our preference short position, which is selling below 0.811, like I told you before, with targets which are take profits of 0.805 or 0.8035, an extension. Alternative scenario, above 0.811, look for further upside with 0.813 and 0.8155 as targets. Now here, what we can analyze of it is very simple. We can open a position and take profit from selling, but we can expect a rebound very soon. Why? Because it is very volatile and it is very promising. So basically what it did, you need to wait a bit. You can open either your profit platform or your MetaTrader. You can see on which rate did it bounce back. And here you have the date. And you will see that it will be bouncing back later on. So just be prepared to put an alternative scenario and to put your take profit. Now, moving forward, comment, as long as the resistance of the stop loss is not surpassed, the risk of the break below 0.805 remains high. Meaning that the signal that we're taking is very fine, but we can expect a rebound soon. We need to wait a bit. Make your small profit right now and then open another alternative scenario so that when the signal will go up, when the market will go up, you will be making profit because you have everything here in front of you. Now, moving forward, here you can have stocks. It's basically the same thing. Commodities. Here, my portfolio. There. Alright, you can choose your favorite ones. Basically, what I would suggest also, you can go on the web TV. Now, we need to disconnect. First of all, let's do it again. You can go on the web TV. Let's wait a bit. Alright. Web TV shows you all the news that is happening today. Alright? All videos, trader talk, what traders think, what traders fear, what traders expect. You can check on also the currency, the energy, FNN, tech support, and more. Now, you can look at the video. It will teach you exactly on how everything works. Alright, it will tell you exactly what's going on. Okay, now we have a question. Let's read the question. Let's enter my Trading Central password. Let's read the question. Adam, today's preference for the Euro USD was long position during European session. However, the signal changed direction. Is the US session? So how do we trade if market is like that? Alright, let's go in. Let's go on the Euro USD. And let's verify the question. Alright. We see that here it's a short position. Let's see the one which was right before. Short position. Today wasn't a long position, it was more of a short position. Now, if by any chance we see that there is a long position and the market is not going as it should have by the signal, again, it is very rare that it should happen. It is not common at all. But in worst cases, what we do is that we use the alternative scenario. Alright? We're ready to open the position, but we're not opening it right now. We're waiting for it. What we see here is that it went up dramatically and now it's going down, so it continues to go down. So this is basically it on Trading Central. For more questions, feel free to ask me at any time. My email is adam.wahlberg@b4x.com. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Bye-bye.